Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the new lesson, force and friction. Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn what is friction and force. Before we start with this lesson, there is one activity for you all in the page number 122. And in this activity they have given few images. We have to write whether in the images they are pushing the things or pulling the things. Okay, we know what is push and pull. Yes, see in the first image, the horse is pulling the tanga. Yes, and even the man is pulling the horse. So write there pull. Okay, write for the first image pull. And in the second image the train is moving, so it is pushing. And in the third image this animal is pulling the man and the luggage, so write there pull. Okay, in the fourth image one boy is pushing the another boy, so write there push. Now you will write the push or pull for other four images. Okay, children, from this activity we can understand that to move things or objects we should push or pull the things. When objects move from one place to other place, when we push or pull, and this push or pull exerted on things to move is called force. Force is a push or pull that is exerted to move the things. And children, when you push the things will move away from you, and when you pull the things or objects comes closer to you. To move any object from one place to other place, we should apply any external force, that is we should pull or push the things, or we can also lift the things. Okay, see in this image this car is not moving. Yes, what we can do to move this car? When we apply external forces, then it moves. Okay, and to move the extra force should be more than the things. We should apply extra force for the heavier objects. Okay, and to move any object from one place to other place, we can push the things or pull the things. We can also lift the things, and we can apply any other external force to move the things. Okay. Now we'll see what is friction. Okay, when two surfaces are rubbed against each other, then friction is created. For example, if you rub your palms together, then friction is created in between the palms of your hand. An early man, when he has accidentally rubbed the two flint stones, then the sparkles were generated, and then they started to cook the food and eat it. Okay, when they rubbed two stones, then between the stones friction is created and sparks generated from it. Okay, when any two surfaces are rubbed against each other, then friction is created. And this word friction is derived from a Latin word. Friction means to rub. The meaning of friction is derived from the Latin, and the meaning of this word is to rub. Friction means to rub. And friction occurs when two surfaces come in contact with each other and they are rubbed against each other. Now see in this image, the mountaineer is climbing the mountain and his boots have spikes on it. Okay, his boots have spikes. Then children, why they use these types of boots? Because if they use regular boots, then they may slip and fall, and ice is slippery, so they use these kind of boots. And in this image, children, both are pushing the box, and the box has some weight. In the first image, box surface is smooth and also road is smooth. Both box surface and road both are smooth, and the friction is created between them. Okay, the friction is created between them when you push that box. Okay, but friction will be less in the smooth surfaces. In the smooth surfaces, the things will be pushed or pulled very easily, and so the friction will be less in the smooth surfaces. Okay, and in the second picture, the road is hard and box is smooth. Okay, and if they push, the friction will be created between them. Okay, and here in this case, friction will be more because the surface is rough or hard. Even the box is smooth, but the surface is hard, so the friction created will be more here. If the surface are smooth, then the friction will be less, and if the surfaces are rough, then the friction will be greater or more. Okay, so children, read the lesson and complete the activity given. Okay, thank you.